Tatlo pa si ma'am. Last two. Come on. One more. Post-workout meal. Let's go.
Got the goods. Thank you, coach.
Yun, last meal. So yun guys, that's it for today. Pang day 29 ng cutting pace. And inulan na ako. So total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 clients tayo today. Balagbag. Yung iba di ko na na-film. So lagi ko na ulit dito yung macros and calories. So that's it for today. See you tomorrow. Rest day ulit tayo bukas.